Hello friends, welcome to Fast Office Supplies, a one-stop shop for all your office needs. Dubai is one of the fastest growing cities in the Middle East with an excellent infrastructure and government support for the startups. The Expo 2020 win is fueling the rapid growth in almost all the sectors. As per the 2013 figures released by Dubai Chamber, there are already 145,000 members registered with them. There are almost 16 free zones in Dubai and about 14 are in the planning stage. And there are around 10,000 companies operating from all these free zones. Each of these free zones are separate from the busy city life, and the offices here are a great opportunity for an office supply company like us. Our target customers are all the offices and companies in free zones, and the person we are meeting here will be mostly secretaries or admin staff who takes care of the office and are influential. In most cases, a male or female of Asian origin. Oops. This is how we want our persona to feel like after dealing with us. Our hero or heroines, that's what I would like to call them, are normally very busy, overloaded with work from both their bosses and colleagues. These guys or girls are generally the first who reaches the office and the last who leaves. Sourcing office stationery, bill books, letterheads, and maintaining enough stock is a pain for them, since during their tight work schedule, they may forget to order on time and it's quite impossible for them to go out and source in the busy city life in Dubai. Imagine the mess it will create in the office if the printing cartridges gets exhausted while printing an important document, or if the letterhead got finished while preparing a quote, or a sales executive's business card finishes. Our poor hero or heroine will be under pressure from both the colleagues and boss for this, and now it's his or her job to get it done in no time. It's a common scenario in all the offices that during the New Year time, the budget for diaries, calendars, and gifts will be approved in the last minute, and then the boss will sit on his or her head to finish the job the next day. We have solutions for all these issues. We not only offer stationaries but personalized printing jobs, and this will be convenient for our hero or heroine to avoid sourcing stationery from one party and to do the printing from somewhere else. We offer 24/7 support with plenty of choices to select from our stocks and offer them quality product on time at affordable prices. How we are going to do this? During our initial phase, we are planning to operate from a small warehouse with a minimum stock for the fast moving items, and we will leverage from our extensive experience in the field and the good relationship we have with the wholesalers and the printing presses. We will maintain a supplier list and keep a track of the inventory from which we can source as per our customer requirements. We also will keep good relationship with our competitors. In the initial phase, we are planning to cover all the free zone and industrial areas in and around Jebel Ali area, and will expand our footfall to other free zones. We will start with 4 employees, 1 sales executive, 1 delivery guy, 1 sourcing or store in charge, and 1 administrator cum accountant. We will provide the customers with fast and free deliveries and also provide them with flexible payment options during the first phase. We will operate from a small 1000 square feet warehouse in a location somewhere in Sharjah to stock some of the fast moving items. Now, how we are going to reach our customers? We believe in direct door-to-door marketing, and our sales executives will be going and visiting all the offices, starting with those in Jebel Ali area, and we would maintain a website where customers can browse through their various products and check the price and availability, and if they wish can be ordered online or contact us for a quote. We will also make our presence in social media and also plan to run a Google AdWord campaign which will give us the visibility in Google online searches. Also, we plan to advertise in free zone directories and magazines, and also in Asian radio channels popular in UAE. We will also send flyers to customers on regular basis. Now have a look at our financials. In the first year, we are expecting a revenue of 3 million with a 20% growth year on year. Since office supplies being a very competitive business, we expect a gross profit of only 15% and a net profit of 141,000 in the first year of operations. Where are our revenue comes from? Our revenue comes from stationeries, cartridges, toners and machines, gifts, diaries and planners, paper, files, books, and with personalized printing jobs. Stationeries will provide 20%, cartridges, toners and machines 30%, gifts, diaries and planners will provide 20% of the revenues, and we are expecting papers, files, books and personalized printing jobs will contribute around 30% of our revenues. The total market size we are targeting in the first year is around 10,000 companies, of which we expect a monthly conversion rate of 2.5%, and the average ticket size monthly for each sale will be around 10,000 dirhams, and this will give us a yearly revenue of 3 million in the first year of operations. Our vision and mission. Our vision is to become a leading office supplies company of choice within the UAE, and we would like to achieve this by building long-term relationship with our customers. Thank you.